This ant-mimicking crab spider, the Amicia, had laid eggs on the 19th of May 2024. And yesterday, that is on the 4th of June 2024, we came across with the first of its kids venturing out. Now today, morning of the 5th of June 2024, more babies are out. So you see one, then you see second, then on the jar third, typical Amicia behavior. Then the fourth, then there are a few inside. There's a fifth one. Then let me show you some more. Sixth, yeah. One is on that wall over there. Okay. Seventh, it's moving. This is the seventh one. And you can see those eye lenses also very clearly. It's pretty cool, ain't that? Six. So a good number of kids venturing out. 7, 8, I think around 10, 12 of them. About a dozen kids. Typical Amicia behavior, dancers. Now this is an instinctive behavior because they haven't seen or learnt it from anybody. They haven't found any ant yet, but they are behaving the way they're supposed to be. The color is greenish, very greenish right now, but soon that shall change into the more prominent red, or rather deep brownish orange or red, the typical of the weaver ants. Here they are very greenish. So we have around 1, 2, 3 on the top of the lid, and they are showing the typical behavior, the dancing behavior. You can see them very prominently here. Their eyes are very shiny, they stand out, and the color is light fluorescent greenish, not the typical reddish brick red. So I'll now remove the magnifying lens so that we can see more of these kids. There you see them. One over there, one over here, one there, one on the net, 5 on the lid, 6th one on the tip of the hanging net, 6. One had already ventured up on the wall. There it is, still trying to escape, 7. And one is in this little box. The first one to venture out is staying in this little box here. So we have around a dozen of babies from this one ant-mimicking crab spider, the Amicia. So that's a wonderful story. 19th May to the 4th of June. Good number. 12 days, around 14 days, around 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, the eggs have hatched, and about a dozen of the kids are now escaping wherever they can find a place. See them? So that's a wonderful thing to observe. Now my next task is to transfer these babies into a better container where then I can release them in a most appropriate habitat where they can find their natural food. But before I do that, I need to capture this one who is trying to just move out in the house, and it's difficult for it to find any food around. So there I do that. Maybe it shall jump on into this in a while or so. We'll do that. So this ant-mimicking crab spider with all the babies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the lid, then 7th in the inside, 7, 8th one hanging, 9th one on the floor, 9, around one had fallen down somewhere there, 10, and 2 here. around a dozen babies. Around a dozen babies of the ant-mimicking crab spider. Good going overall. There's just one still inside. One must be still outside. So we'll keep on finding for it. That's all, folks. Thank you for being on this journey, and maybe we'll find something better again. Let's record its dance. Hey, it's escaping. Let it escape. What can I do? The other ones. There's one in the inside, then one fellow hanging. There is one fellow hanging inside the jar. Good numbers all around. I'm happy. So the number of days they have taken to hatch: 19th May, eggs are laid. 4th of June, the first baby was sighted. That makes 4 days on this side. And 19th, if we take the 0th day, that makes 11, 12 days. 12 plus 4, 16 days. In 16 days, the eggs have hatched and babies have emerged. Now the challenge is to bring them out safely in a better habitat. Let's do that. All right, over and out.